Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels and price action structures that currently gold is following, so that we can utilize those levels and those price action structure in next week for finding buy and sell opportunities. So we are going to start with the daily time frame, and if we check the daily time frame and if we check the previous week movement on gold chart, you can see that gold price was in a continuous uptrend, and we have seen a very massive, or you can say very big bullish run by gold in last week. And if we check the candles, price action candle of last week, you can see the gold price was previously trading with higher high, higher low structure, and you can see from these price action candles that no candle closed below to previous day candle. But on Friday trading session, this candle, this if we check the price action, you can see that the Friday trading session closed under to previous day low. Yes, some brokers showing that it is closed above to previous day low, but if we check this current FX broker on TradingView, you can see that the price is closed just below to previous day low, which is showing that the current you can say rally is somewhat diminishing, or you can say the uptrend is now seems to be exhausting. So what are the scenario that we can consider on daily time frame? So if this is a low which is under to previous day low, then yes, if we check the dynamic support on this daily time frame, you can see we have this support trend line, and currently price is trading right above to this trend line, support trend line. So yes, as per the daily closing, if it is under to previous day low, we can expect a down move like this. So what is the level of support on daily? If we check the Fibonacci on volume profile, you can see this is the nearby support area, which is around 2625 to 2630 right over here. This is the high volume zone, and we can expect a retest or test near to this level. And if price breakdown, then the next support is on this trend line or at this area, or psychological level of near to psychological level of 2600. So these are the levels of support. And yes, we already knows that the price is in overextended rally and a pullback is due. So yes, on daily time frame, if we confirm and if the price stays under this closing, then a decline possible. Only when we ignore the fundamental factor like the war situation, if we ignore those factors, yes, because those factors completely turn the trend in another direction. Yes, if the fundamental factor going to affect the current movement again, because in previous week also we have seen the market was totally moving based on the fundamental factor, and the main cause for the bullish move is the situation in the Middle East and the war situation. So yes, if there is another effect that is going to be happen in the next week, then if price going to break out this level 2685, then yes, another bullish run possible. But yes, if there is some pullback from the current price, then we can expect a reselling at this level, and price can make a double top like this, and over to this level we are going to look for sell opportunities. So for buying, we have to wait for the breakout from the previous week high. Under previous week high and under this level, we can expect a consolidation or a downward movement toward to this support trend line. So this is the scenario on daily time frame. Also, if we check the chart of gold future on daily closing, daily closing on gold future is confirming that it is closed under to previous day low, and if the price going to follow this price action, we can expect a pullback near to lower level, and that can be going to plot on the spot chart also. So on daily we are currently looking for a retracement or pullback. And now if we check the intraday chart, that is on 1 hour time frame, you can see the price currently break down from this support area. Let me show you. The support area on the intraday time frame is around this level, around 2655 to 2660 roughly, right over here, this level. So as you can see, the price is currently going to retest this level. So on retest we can look for sell. If we see rejection on 1 hour time frame, we are going to look for sell opportunities. Yes, on next week the weekly pivot is around 2652, this level. So under this, if price stays under this or break down this level on hourly time frame or on daily time frame, then the next support as per the pivot placement is 2619 or roughly 2620 level, because we already seen that whenever price going to test these support level, we can see a bullish move. So under weekly pivot we are going to look for the sell opportunities. For buy, again we have to wait for breakout from previous week high, and the resistance on weekly pivot is 2691 and the psychological level of 2700. These are the levels on 1 hour time frame that we have to watch carefully. Also, if we check the chart on a weekly time frame, and if we check the price action on weekly time frame, you can see that the previous 2 weeks, this one and this one, was completely a bullish formation. You can see there was no rejection from the higher side. But if we check the current week closing, we can say that the bull's effect is somewhat diminishing, or you can say decreasing, because the week closed with a wick. But yes, this is a bullish candle, so a pullback and then a move into the higher side as per the weekly close is possible. Also, if we check the chart of dollar, you can see the dollar chart is currently forming, or you can say trading near to support area. This is the support area, and it is currently you can say closed under to this support area. And in previous week we have seen that it respected and did not break down from this support area. So if price stays above to previous week low, then from here we can expect a bounce like this. The first resistance is of course around 101.70, and if price breakout from here, then the next support is around 102.61. so this is the possible move on DXY for next week, and this can impact the movement of gold, and we can expect a pullback if these this movement and the gold closing both follow into same direction. Because if it is going to go into the up, then surely it is going to impact the gold price, and we can expect a pullback or correction onto gold chart. So these are the levels, and these are the price action scenarios that we have to watch carefully for next week. And if we check the latest COT report on gold, you can see, if we check the managed money positions of the gold for this particular week, you can see the managed money, they are adding positions into the long and short side. You can see this time they added a good number into long also and in short also. So the sentiment is on higher time frame is clearly into the bull's favor or bullish side, but for short period we can say that the price can move into the downside. Because in previous COT report also, if we check the previous COT report, you can see the previous COT report was clearly into the bullish side because they added a good position or numbers into their long side. This was the data from the previous week's COT report. They added 28199 positions into long side, and we already seen the impact in previous 2 weeks. So the current scenario is somewhat sideways to bearish side as per the latest COT report, and we have to wait how they are going to change the positions into the next week. And what are the data that we have to watch for next week? Let's discuss that. So for next week, on Monday we have Chicago PMI, Fed Chair Powell speaks. This is the important high impact data that we have to watch on Monday, and it can generate a good volatility that we have to take care of that. On Tuesday we have manufacturing PMI, then ISM manufacturing PMI. This is also on Tuesday. JOLTS job opening is on Tuesday. On Wednesday we have ADP non-farm employment change. Thursday we have initial jobless claims. Service PMI is on Thursday. ISM non-manufacturing PMI is also on Thursday. On Friday we have average hourly earning, and then non-farm payroll. It is also important high impact data, and unemployment rate is also on Friday. So lots of high impact data on next week, so we have to take care of those data also. So overall the scenario is still bullish on higher time frame, but on intraday or on lower time frame a pullback is currently due. So we have to wait how price going to react onto lower support level if we see a pullback. So we will discuss more about the levels and the pullback areas and the support level in live trading sessions in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.